Before the video starts, I just want to say that you guys are truly beautiful the way you are. I love you, and please do not feel pressured in any way by this video. So right now we're at 640 calories. That's it? I thought I was doing good. Really full. Hi guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing something that I'm probably going to regret, but right now I'm really excited for it. So basically I'm going to be trying to eat 10,000 calories in one day. I've been seeing this trend all over YouTube lately, and when I saw it I was like, I want to try it. So I'm going to try it. With all that being said, if you guys do end up liking the video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment down below, because when you do that it really does help me and my channel grow. And with all that being said, let's get into the video. So I kind of wanted to do a test, so I wanted to show you guys my stomach before and my stomach after, as well as weigh myself before and after. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to actually start my day. So right now it's 6:30, and I thought I would wake up early because I'm going to need the whole entire day in order to do this challenge. For breakfast, I have no idea what I'm going to make, so I'm going to look in my house to see what I have, and then I will update you guys on what I'm going to eat, and I'll also have the calories on the screen for each thing that I actually eat. I am going to have one of these little waffles that I got from the store. These waffles are 180 calories for one waffle, so I'm going to have one of these and then put some syrup on it, and then I will kind of like guess how much syrup I'm putting on for the calories of that. But I'm just going to have one of these because I'm not that hungry right now, and later I'm going to have like a second breakfast and go to Dunkin Donuts. I have my toasted waffle, and I'm just going to put some of this syrup on it, and this syrup is 50 calories for 2 tablespoons, and I'm just going to like drizzle some on top. Just finished eating my waffle and it was good. I am really full though right now. I don't know why. I just really wasn't that hungry. So I'm going to do something I have to do for school, and then I will update you guys when I go to Dunkin Donuts. So I'm at the Dunkin Donuts right now in my town, and the drive-through line is like wrapped around the building, and I refuse to wait on that, so I'm just going to go inside and get the donut that I want. So I was looking it up online, and it says that a Dunkin donut, one that is frosted, is 270 calories, so I'm going to get the strawberry frosted donut with sprinkles because that's like my all-time favorite donut. I think I'm just going to get one. I'm not sure yet, but I really want to have that donut, so I'm going to go and see if they have it, and then I'll update you guys when I come back. I really wanted to go through the drive-thru so I can have like me ordering and everything, but I'm not waiting on that line because that's going to take like an hour, and that's going to waste the whole entire day. Okay, not day, like hour. I just don't want to wait on the line, so I'll be right back. As you guys can see, I'm back in my car with no Dunkin because I went inside. I waited for like 20 minutes, and then the employee came up to me and she was like, "Hi, we're short-staffed right now. Can you go on the drive-thru line?" Like, no problem, but I really wish she would have told me that 20 minutes ago when she stared at me as I walked into the store. But it's fine, it's really not a big deal. And then I'm also going to get my brother some things. Hi, can I have a strawberry frosted donut with sprinkles, please? And then could I have 2 chocolate glazed donuts? I got my donut, so I am going to eat this really quick. I really like Dunkin Donuts donuts, so let's give it a try. It's so good. I haven't had a donut like this in so long, and it's literally so good. I love donuts. I'm looking up how much a strawberry acai is because I really like those refreshers, and I don't think it's that much calories. Let me just check. So I'm going to get the tall size, and the tall size of a strawberry acai with lemonade is 140 calories. I don't know why I thought it was so many more calories. I just realized the lighting right here is so bad. I'm so sorry, but I'm going to go get Starbucks and I'll update you guys after. Welcome to Starbucks. What do we got for you? Hi, can I please have a tall strawberry acai refresher with lemonade?
Anything else?
That's it.
421, I'll see you at the window.
Thank you. I don't really know if you're supposed to count drinks on this challenge, but I'm going to. This is the strawberry lemonade acai refresher, and oh my gosh. I legit did not have this in like 5 months, and it's so good. Okay, so this is 140 calories, like I said. I'm going to drink all this. I have to go food shopping really quick, so I'm going to do that. And I will probably go to McDonald's next because I really want to try their new chicken sandwich. And I also love their french fries, so that's what I'm going to get. I'm going to finish this drink really quick, and then I will update you guys after. Okay, really quick, I just wanted to notice how much ice is in this cup. I don't know why I didn't realize this when I was originally filming it, but that is so much ice, which is shocking to me. But I also wanted to say it's only 8 o'clock right now, and I feel like we're doing good. I had like 3 things today already, and how many calories is that? Let me do math really quick. So it was 180 plus 50 plus 270 plus 140. So right now we're at 640 calories. That's it? I thought I was doing good. I have like 9,400 something to go. Okay, this is going to be a lot harder than I thought. Finished my drink. I will update you guys when I'm at McDonald's or whenever I eat next, because apparently I'm going to have to eat a lot more, even though I really wasn't expecting that. But like I low-key was, but I thought I was doing better, and I'm not. Now I'm having these little chips. They look like this. They are 160 calories for 23 pieces. So I'm probably just gonna have about like 23 of these. If I have more, then I will add it to the amount of calories I have. And yeah, this is like a morning snack. I don't know, this is the only thing I could find, so this is what I'm gonna have. One crispy chicken sandwich, and then can I also have a medium fry, please? And then I'll have a couple packets of ketchup, and then also honey. So it's almost 10:30 right now, and I didn't think that McDonald's would serve lunch until 11, because that's what it says online. But as you guys heard, when I pulled up to the drive-thru window, he asked me if I wanted to try it. So I was like, they are serving it right now. So I got that. So a crispy chicken sandwich is 470 calories. I looked it up online. And then a medium fry is 320 calories. I also looked it up online. So that's that. I don't know how much the ketchup and the honey is, but I'm sure it'll say it on the packet, so I'll add it on the screen. But I'm going to go ahead, get my food, and then I will do a little review, because I actually never tried the new chicken sandwich, so I'm really excited. All right, so I just got my McDonald's bag, and let's see. The french fries are so warm. I think it's because they like just made them fresh. Okay, so here's the McChicken. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's so warm. This is what it looks like. I'm really excited. I'm going to try it without any sauce first. It's so hot. This is so good. This is literally so good. There's no sauce on it, and it's amazing. I'm obsessed. I love it. I'm going to let it cool down a little because it's very hot. I am going to try some French fries in the meantime. We have our French fries right here. I love McDonald's French fries. I think they're so good. They didn't give me ketchup. Well, they didn't give me ketchup, so I'm going to use honey, because I heard Steph Pappas say that honey and French fries are really good, so I'm going to try the honey. I'm going to search up how much a honey packet is, because I don't know how many calories a honey packet is. It says it's 49 calories, sometimes 50. We're gonna go with 50 because I don't know why it says sometimes 50, so I guess this is 50 calories, and then the French fries are, I don't remember, but I said it before. So let's try a fry with some honey, because Steph Pappas says this is really good. And she's right, it's really good. Whoa, really good. I'll put like 25 calories instead of 50 because I will not eat all that honey. I just finished everything and I am really full, but right now I'm going to go somewhere with my grandma and then we might go out to lunch later. I'm really full, but I don't know, I'm just gonna keep going and see how this goes. Like I said, this is a lot harder than I thought it would be, but it's okay. We're going to keep going and we will get there. So with all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and go drink some water or something because I don't feel good. I just went to Maggie's with my grandma, and that is basically a restaurant in my town, and I got penne vodka. I think on the menu it said it was like 500 calories, but I literally didn't even eat half of it because I was so full. So based off of like my reference, I'm gonna say I ate around like 250 calories of it, and then I also had a piece of bread which was 140 calories, and then I also had a cranberry and ginger ale, and that I'm going off of reference from my Starbucks drink, so I'm gonna say that was like 180 calories. And then I did have a little bit of grated cheese, so we'll say like 20 calories. I'll have the amount of calories I'm at now on the screen, but I am really full, so I'm probably not gonna eat for a little bit. So I will come back on whenever I decide to eat next. I just took an accounting midterm and it was really hard, but thankfully I did good on it, so that's always good. And yeah, I will update you guys later when I eat something else. So I just made the Pillsbury cookies, the ones that look like this. They're the Easter ones. They're really cute and they're really good. So I'm going to have about like 5 or 6 because one is like 110 calories. So to get my calories up, since we're only at 2,000. So I'm going to have like 6 of these right now.
Is there something after there's nothing to say?
I decided to get some pizza. I'm probably going to have a few slices, and then I also got some garlic knots, so I'll probably have all of these, the marinara sauce, and then a few slices of pizza, and I'll have the calories on the screen.
We fell in love in the winter, but I miss you most in the fall.
I just had all of the pizza, well not all of it, so I just had all of my pizza. So I had 3 slices and then I had the 4 breadsticks, and I am really full. I like can't even talk right now, that's how full I am. So I'll update you guys later whenever I can somehow try to eat. I just ordered Shake Shack, so I have this like Oreo shake from Shake Shack, and then I also have a burger, so I'm going to have this. I'll have the calories on the screen because I don't remember off the top of my head, but this is the regular size shake from Shake Shack, and then I have just a regular burger as well. So it's now like 5 o'clock and I'm still really full, but I think I'm almost at 6,000 calories, so that's good. 4,000 more to go. I really don't know if I'm going to be able to do it, but I'm going to try my best. Don't know what I can eat that's gonna be 4,000 calories because I literally cannot have any more fast food because it's just not possible right now. But I will update you guys later when I figure out what I can eat. Probably some ice cream because I love ice cream. I'm literally so full I can't even eat anything else, so I'm literally just eating cookies. So I just had 6 more of these cookies. I literally should not have done that. That was not a good idea. I'm going to go ahead and go downstairs and see how much I weigh because I'm interested. And I'm also going to show you guys my stomach to do like a before and after. And I do know that I didn't complete the challenge. I'm sorry guys, I really tried. This is like a really big epic cheat day for me, and I don't know. I don't want to not feel well, and I don't feel well right now, so I'm just going to stop. But with all that being said, if you guys like the video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more content from me. Leave me a comment down below, because when you do that, it really does help me and my channel grow, and I do try my best to answer every single comment because I love chatting with you all. With all that being said, thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.